Hello everyone, this is Mike with Lovey's Fat Life, and today we're going to take a look at the difference from going from gold to platinum, but we're also going to show you a little bit of all 5 of these categories from blue, red, gold, platinum, and diamond. Let's go. Let's take a look at these. Hey everyone, this is Mike with Lovey's Fat Life, and today we're going to check out the differences in what you get with being a platinum member with Carnival Cruise Line versus what you used to get as a gold member. We recently, on the last cruise, finally, after many 3, 4, and 5 day cruises, jumped up to the platinum level. And yeah, there was some extra perks along the way. So we're going to go over each and every one of those. And then as we're looking at this chart, you can kind of see what every entry level gets all the way up to diamond level. But we're mainly focusing on what you get going from gold to platinum in this video. And then at the end of this video, we will show you what we got at the end of 2024, our gift, and then also what the gift is for 2025, which has been kind of controversial for Carnival. So let's go ahead and dive into this. We're going to throw on the screen here and go over each and every one of these items all the way down until platinum ends. And we may even take a look, maybe even at what diamond gets extra, but let's go ahead and jump into this right now. All right, we're going to go ahead and jump straight over to Carnival's website, take a look at this, let you guys see what the differences are and go through each and every one of them. Let's go ahead and scroll on down to the chart and let's see what we get. All right, so here we're looking at the differences between the blue, red, gold, platinum, and diamond. And we're really going to go concentrate on what's gold and platinum. Gold is 25 to 74. Platinum is 75 to 199, and 200 plus is diamond currently. So members only offers, all of them get that. Then you go into the member e-newsletter, all of the classes at different levels get that. Now the complimentary 1.5 liter bottle of water, only the red, gold, platinum, and diamond get that. And then we start getting into here now where there's a difference between gold and platinum and diamond. So a complimentary beverage on a 5 day plus cruise, gold gets that. Gold VIF pin on every sailing, gold gets that. Priority check-in and boarding on embarkation day, you got platinum gets that and diamond gets that. Platinum and diamond VIP party on 5+ day sailings, featuring complimentary beverages. Platinum gets that and diamond does as well. And yeah, we went to our first platinum party. We got a video on that. We had 4 drinks in there, and if each drink's 12 to 15 bucks, that's about a $60 value right there alone. And you can drink as much as you want in that 1 hour that they have you in there. So that was definitely a plus. Complimentary beverage. So redeemable at any venue will be automatically applied to the first transaction once on board. So yeah, it used to be on the gold that you used to get it after 5 o'clock on your last sailing. They did change that for gold now. So basically your first drink is going to be free if you're platinum or diamond. So we got welcome treat on 5+ day cruises upon request. So yes, you're able to get like cookies or have delivered to your room. You need to order a day before, so don't wait till the last day to order this. So you need to give them 24-hour notice. So yeah, we got cookies and chocolate covered desserts the last time on our sailing. Priority spa reservations, that goes for both, for the platinum and the gold. Priority water shuttle boarding, man. So if you used to pay for, and we did, faster to the fun, you don't have to pay for that anymore. You're already got a special line for you at guest services. And then also if you have to use a shuttle or tender, you're at the front of the line on that as well. So also you get a $5 worth of complimentary arcade credits for guests under 18. So our son is going to become platinum here in the next cruise or two. So he'll get $5 worth of tokens to go play in there as well. Then you get a VIFP logo gift on every sailing. And that again is for platinum and diamond. We're going to show you what we got here at the end of this video. Priority line at onboard guest services desk. We just mentioned that. Priority debarkation. So you get to get off the ship first as well. Here's some other things that just only platinum gets. Priority reservations at main dining room and especially restaurants. complimentary wash and fold laundry service. So we definitely took advantage of this last time. You get 2 bags on a 3 to 6 day cruise, and you get 3 bags on 7 to 13 day cruises, 5 bags on 14+ day cruises. So we definitely took advantage of that. That is something that normally costs you, I think it's 12, $15 per bag. So definitely take advantage of that one as well. All right, so that was the main difference between gold and platinum and diamond. That we didn't go over all the diamond. We'll wait to that until we become diamond. But yeah, that's the platinum benefits on Carnival Cruise Line as of right now. And now let's look at the gifts we got. We mentioned earlier what you got, but let's go ahead and take a look at them. So also you get a ship specific pin. You'll go out to the area where you get the photos at. Pixels, I believe is what it's called. And then you are able to get each member that is platinum gets this. I'll show a picture of it up close as well. And then on our last sailing, we got a bag, and it comes in a bag just like this. Tip for you so you don't lose it. Open this in right here, and then just put this inside of it so they're all together, right together. We're going to go ahead and take this out though. So this is a bag, pretty large bag, and it has handles on it as well. And it's kind of got an inside, where it's, in a way, it's kind of waterproof. So if you wanted to put drinks in there or something and some ice, you'd probably be okay with that. It's not going to mess this bag up. But yeah, it's a little bag. We had a friend of ours on the cruise with us, Adventures Ahead, Josh and Michelle. They brought us a gift and put it in the bag. And guess what? They gave us the bag too. So yeah, this was what we got in 2024. Now in saying all that, I have heard they've changed the gifts for 2025. This is January 2025, and they are giving out caps, is what I'm hearing. Now, it was a big controversy. I don't know if Carnival plans on going back and changing that for 2025, but people were not very happy with that. Also, in the past, they got such things as fanny packs, toiletry bags. The toiletry bags was pretty cool if you're a vlogger or just putting your toiletry stuff in there. It would be nice. I kind of would like that, to be honest with you, but you can get all that on eBay. Most of the time, people are selling this stuff between 10 and $15 on eBay. So if something happens and you do want one and you don't have it and you're not quite platinum, you can go ahead and order it off eBay. Somebody's always selling those items. So thank you guys for checking out this video. I know it was real short and sweet, but this was mainly for gold members that are getting ready to become platinum, or if you're platinum now and you're trying to figure out what you get. I'll put the link into Carnival's website also in the description here, so you can click on it just in case they update it or change it. Thank you guys. Please like, comment, subscribe to Lovey's Fat Life. We got a lot of videos coming out this year on cruising. We're cruising 3 different cruise lines in 2025 and hope to get a 4th one in as well. But again, please like, comment, subscribe, and also join us on Facebook. Just type in Lovey's Fat Life. Thank you and have a good day. Bye.